Hello traders and investors, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. Before I go into the specifics, I want to share my view on Bitcoin big picture. Big picture, Bitcoin is in a complex correction. In my opinion, it can still be considered a wave 4 correction, and it's important because after a wave 4 comes a wave 5. However, the longer Bitcoin stays in a corrective pattern, the chances diminish that it is really just a correction which is in its nature bullish, and it could be that we are looking at something even more bearish. However, it's not the time to discuss this view, because as long as there is a chance of bullish continuation to the upside, I want to entertain the possibility. Now, Bitcoin is in a complex correction. What does it mean? We have an A, B, C correction, followed by a 5-wave move to the upside, another rejection, A, B, C. And this could be the third move to the upside, the second move, in what could be an X wave, which will include 5 waves to the upside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we could be looking at a 5th wave now, and after this 5th wave we will have another A, B, C. Okay, and the target is more or less 45k. In Elliott wave terminology, this is the longest correction possible. It's called a W, X, Y, X, Z correction. Okay? Now, this is the longest correction possible, okay, inside a bullish wave. If this correction lasts longer than this final Z wave to the downside, then we will need to consider Bitcoin as a lot less bullish, okay? And maybe this whole move to the upside was just a giant B wave correction and we are looking at lower prices. However, as I said, as long as it is possible, I'm still entertaining the bullish scenario or the bullish possibility for Bitcoin. Below 44 or 45k, I will not be able to entertain bullish possibilities for Bitcoin. Okay, now tactically speaking, I think that Bitcoin is still going to try and make one more high. Why am I thinking that? Because Bitcoin found support at 58k, and you can see that it is not yet ready to roll over. Maybe traders will try to push the price up higher, an attempt that which will fail in my opinion, and this will be the cause of the second corrective ABC wave to the downside. Tactically speaking, we can see that Bitcoin is now trying to get above the 200-day EMA. Now on the 1 hour, let's see how it looks like on the 1 hour time frame. It looks terrible, I must say. But assuming that Bitcoin will manage to get above the 200-day EMA and hold it as support, it hasn't yet, but if it does, then it could be your entry trigger, or even better or safer is an entry above 60,200. But it's not a high probability short. I want to be 100% clear that if you take this long trade, you need to take profit along the way. Okay, the first station is the 50-day EMA, which is currently at 61.6. Then comes this Gann angle, which is currently at 63,650, and the highest it will go, in my opinion, is to recover this week on the 4-hour time frame, which is at 64,600. I am going to take this trade probably, but the reason I will take this trade is as a hedge, to hedge my short positions, because I didn't take profit on all my short positions, and I'm not going to tell you the truth, because I have very low confidence in this move to the upside, and the more bearish scenarios for Bitcoin are becoming more and more probable in my opinion. For this reason, I will take this trade to hedge my positions to protect myself, but I don't believe that Bitcoin will move over 63.6 and certainly not above 64.6. If it's going to happen, I will be surprised. Okay? That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.